In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in your Godaddy account. Whether you've just moved to a new country, are practicing a new language, or perhaps setting up the account for someone else who prefers a different language, changing the language in your Godaddy account is straightforward. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to take to do this with ease. To begin, you'll want to start by logging into your Godaddy account. As you enter your login details, make sure they are input accurately so as not to encounter any login issues. Once you're successfully in, head over to the Account Settings menu. You can find this by looking towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice an icon or perhaps your account initials, and clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll see Account Settings. Click on this, and it'll guide you to a new page where you can make further adjustments. Once you're on the Account Settings page, take a look around. You'll see various settings that you can tweak to suit your preference. However, today, our focus is on the language setting. Locate the Preferences or General Preferences section on this page. It's typically the place where language settings reside. In the Preferences section, there will be a subsection specifically for language. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that shows the current language setting of your account. Clicking on this will display a list of all the available languages you can choose from. This list might include popular world languages like Spanish, French, German. Just select the one you're interested in from this list. After selecting your desired language, make sure to scroll down and find the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures your choice is confirmed and applied to your account. Clicking Save will take just a second, and once it's done, all the navigational text within your Godaddy account should automatically refresh to your selected language. If it doesn't change immediately, try refreshing your browser or logging out and then back in. And that, in a few simple steps, is how you adjust the language in your Godaddy account. This change will make managing your domain names, hosting services, and other features more comfortable and approachable in your language of choice. Remember, it's always possible to modify these settings again if needed, so feel free to revisit this section should your language needs change in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your Godaddy experience as smooth as possible.